Here's a 2021 Lexus GX. From the power to impress with elegance and luxury in the city to the capability and versatility to hit the trails in the great wide open, it's your partner in spontaneity. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V8 engine, active front and rear anti-roll, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, voice activated climate controls, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated bucket seats. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.